Is Thursday, March 29, 2018. I am demonstrating the loss, vandalism of a tree, and the ongoing vandalizing of my property. Somebody comes onto the property regularly and tears up the grass. And I'm going to show you all these bald spots that were not here at the end of last year because somebody's been coming here at night, raking up the grass all the way up here. And I've got videos of what it should look like. And the Manalapan Township Police have done absolutely nothing. In fact, I believe that they are involved in not only ignoring all of my claims, falsifying the reports. The detective said that the trees are flourishing. Well, what does this look like to you? I've already spoken to several landscapers who said that this is dead. This was not dead at the beginning of last spring. And you can see that this is actually physically cut off. It's a clear cut. Other branches were torn off. They want to make it look like some animal did this, but one, we don't have deer around here. And this was done over time. This has been going on for over a year and a half, where they have been vandalizing the tree, etching things in the tree, causing it to die. They wanted to make it look like it's natural, but it's not natural. And I've got the photo progressions of this tree from last year. And you can see here, it's being scorched and intentionally burned. But in addition to the tree, which has been here for 28 years, 29 years, they're now in the process of digging up all the grass. And I'm just going to demonstrate what's going on here. And it's not just in this area, it's going completely up the front of the yard. I've got one of the prettiest yards and grass on the block, notably, and I've got videos of such. But somebody's been coming onto the property at night, and you can see they're actually digging up the sod here and tossing it. It's signing off for now. And this is one of the slice marks made last year. You can see that. Here you go. And here. And here, Manalapan Township does absolutely nothing. The police department is in on it. Not only are they in on it, but I believe that they're involved. There was human feces placed in my yard. And I have photos of that as well. And you can see how black that is. Somebody's been scorching the trees. And here.